10,000.
Hey, it's us again!
Okay, we were just
Yeah,
telling
we're,
Hey,
this
you
is,
guys.
where's the announcer? Her favorite song. You
Yeah,
tell them.
last song for today. This is the announcer for today.
Yeah, you tell them what song that is, Marian.
Yes, okay. This is
This
the
is-
honor.
This song is...
Introduce our song.
Hi
Sing
guys.
that.
Ay, patayin natin yung ilaw. We're gonna turn off the lights and
So that-
sorry, little
Yes.
yeah, like
yes,
that.
like
This
that.
is School Off by...
Hi guys. Hindi siya muna.
Oh, yeah.
Hi guys. This is School Up by my favorite singer, Yan Constantino. Hope you like it. Where it's the last song for today. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna play it. 1, 2,
Borrow.
3. Oh my god, it's playing already.
The first one. Try
Can someone put it down for the lyrics? I don't know that song.
Oh, maybe.
No.
Oh my God.
I don't know that song, but...
Wag ka munang magaling. Ako sana'y pakinggan. Di ko balak na ika'y saktan. Di ikaw ang problema. Wala akong iba. Di tulad ng iyong hinala. Sarili ay di maintindihan. Hindi ko malaman ano ba ang dahilan ng pansamantalang paghingi ko ng kalayaan. Minamahal kita, pero kailangan ko lang mag-isa. Huwag mong isipin na hindi ka na mahal. Sarili ko, hahanapin ko lang. At ang panahon at ang oras ng aking pagkawala ay para rin sa atin. Bakit sanang lumuha? Sana'y intindihin. Ito ang dapat nating gawin upang magkakilala pa at malaman kung tayo ay para sa isa't isa. Huwag mong pigilin ang damdamin sa aking pagkawala. Makahanap ka bigla ng iba, ngunit pagkakatandaan na mahal pa rin kita, pero kailangan ko lang mag-isa. Huwag mong isipin na hindi ka na mahal. Sarili ko'y hahanapin ko lang. At ang panahon at ang oras ng aking pagkawala ay para rin sa atin. Anim! Clap! Clap! Clap!
We don't have clap.
These three guys are crazy.
Teach me out that.
Sarili ay di maintindihan. Hindi ko malaman ano ba ang dahilan ng pansamantalang paghingi ko ng kalayaan. Minamahal kita, pero kailangan ko lang mag-isa. Huwag mong isipin na hindi ka na mahal. Sarili ko, hahanapin ko lang. At ang panahon at ang oras ng aking pagkawala ay para sa atin.
is me.
Mahal na mahal.
And love can kill you.
Love starts with capital L.
Yeah,
Love is
and it's the letter E.
Yeah.
Hey, and it
is
starts when I met you.
love.
Hey, I love you.
It will never
I
This
love
song
you.
is dedicated to all the loves out there.
All of love
And
and
love
love
is
and
my love
especially to Miss Ariana.
And also to the one I love.
Yeah, and also to the one we love.
Papa Arietta, Rodney M.
Oh my gosh.
Me.
Oh,
We love Rodney.
Oh my gosh.
We love Rodney.
We love Ryan Paul as well.
Yeah, yes. We love Ryan Paul.
Oh, Monica said we love Rodney.
Yes.
No.
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 Hey.
Wait.
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 That's
Stop
easy.
recording.
Go, I love Rodney.
Don't.
Hey, this is a very Hey, we have
Yes.
a big revelation about Monica and Rodney's
Rodney.
relationship.
They're dating. They're dating.
They're officially dating.
Yes.
Woo.
Monica and Rodney
That's
is very
easy.
good.
Monica, I love you. And Rodney, I love you too.
No.
And I also want to say